Lego Christmas Tree, a festive and customizable holiday decoration. This Lego Christmas tree, 40573, is an ideal holiday decoration and a fun building project for Lego enthusiasts of all ages. Standing 12 inches tall and featuring 784 pieces, this set provides a unique, customizable building experience. The tree's intricate details, from tiny ornaments to the star on top, create a festive atmosphere. The set's versatility allows it to be displayed as one large tree or two smaller trees, with opportunities for further customization. It's perfect for those who enjoy hands-on holiday decoration. One of the standout features of this set is its customizable nature. You can personalize the decorations, adding family photos or small gifts beneath the tree, allowing for a personal touch. Additionally, the tree is designed for easy transport. Its two-piece structure makes it convenient for relocation and ideal for holiday gatherings or moving. Compared to similar products like the Lego Winter Village Holiday Train Set and Lego 40565 Christmas Wreath, the Lego Christmas Tree 40573 holds an edge in size and the potential for creative customization. While the train set offers a charming display for train lovers and the wreath provides a compact and timeless decoration, the tree stands out for its larger scale and interactive building experience. Both the wreath and the train are great for fans of more static holiday decorations, but the Lego Christmas tree offers an opportunity for a more hands-on and dynamic holiday experience.